Most of the acharyas have counted the number of kalpanas as 5, but Sushruta mentions 6th kalpana, that is Shira kalpana, and Kashyapa mentions 7 kalpanas, adding Churna and Abhishava. Let's put a quick glance on Panchavidha Kashaya Kalpana mentioned by Charaka in 4th chapter of Sutrasthan in Charak Samhita, which is Shadvirechaniya Shatashityam Adhyayam, which are Swarasa, extracted juice, Kalka, paste, Shrita, decoction, Shita, cold infusion, and Fanta, hot infusion. Swarasa Kalpana. Swarasa is also known as Rasa and Niryasa. Here, the principle involved are Kutana and Nishpidana. Siddhi Lakshanas are liquid having Gandha, Varna, and Rasa of the drug. It should be used in fresh condition. For example, Adraka Swarasa. Adraka Swarasa Shodra Yukto Vrishana Vatanuta Shwasa Kasa Ruchi Hanti Pratikshaya Vyapohati. Ingredients and instruments used are fresh adrak, khalvayantra, and cotton cloth. Procedure. Adraka is made into small pieces, kept into mortar and crushed with pestle. It is now taken out and kept over cloth, and a potali is made out of it. Now, by applying pressure to this potali, swarasa of adraka is obtained. Adraka swarasa is beneficial in pratikshaya, shwasa, kasa, and aruchi when taken along with honey. Kalka Kalpana. Kalka is the fine paste of macerated fresh plant material, also known as prakshepa and avapa. It involves principle of peshana, siddhi lakshanas, paste-like consistency having gandha, varna, and rasa of the drug. It should be used in fresh condition. For example, rasona kalka. Instruments and ingredients involved are nishtusha rasona and mortar and pestle. Procedure. Nishtusha rasona is taken and made into pinda form with the help of mortar and pestle. It is used in vata roga along with tilatela and also acts as vishama jwara nashaka. Shrita Kalpana, also known as Kwatha Kalpana, it is largely practiced dosage form in today's busy lifestyle. The other 4 are used in a limited way. It is useful in Jwara, Rakta Pitta, Prameha, Kushta, etc. The liquid that is obtained by boiling it in water is known as Kwatha. For example, Triphala Kwatha. Here, ingredients and instruments used are Triphala Churna, 16 times of water, stainless steel utensil, and gas stove. Procedure. 1 pala of Triphala Churna is taken into a vessel. 16 times of water is added to it. It is now boiled over Mridu Agni till 1/8 of water is left. It is then filtered and obtained liquid is known as Kwatha. It is used as eye wash for gargling in oral ulcers, in liver disorders, and inflammation. Along with cow urine, it is used to treat testicular disorders. Shita Kalpana, also known as Hima Kalpana, according to Ashtang Hriday, Shito Ratri Drave Sthita, which means Dravya dipped into Drava, left overnight and filtered next day, the obtained liquid is known as Hima. For example, Dhanyaka Hima. Ingredients and instruments used are Dhanyaka 1 part, water 6 parts, stainless steel vessel, cloth or sieve. Procedure. Dhanyaka churna is taken into stainless steel vessel and 6 times water is added to it and left overnight. On the next day, it is filtered and hima is obtained. It is used with sharkara in antardaha, trishna and shrotoshodhana. Fanta kalpana. Here, the principle used is toya agni sannikarsha, siddhi lakshana, liquid having gandha, varna and rasa of dominant drug. It should be used in fresh condition. For example, Panchakola Fanta. Here, instruments and ingredients used are Panchakola Churna, which consists of Pipili, Pipili Moola, Chavya, Chitraka and Nagara. All the drugs are taken in equal amount. 4 times of water is taken. Procedure. Panchakola Churna 1 part with 4 times of water is boiled. Now, it is mixed well. When it becomes cool, it is strained and used. It is used as antipyretic, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, appetizer, digestive and carminative. These were the Panchavidha Kashaya Kalpana in brief according to Charak Samhita. Thank you.